I have about 700 grams of eye fillet. You can use undercut, tender meat for this preparation. So these are fairly big pieces. So I'll cut them into small bite-sized pieces and then marinate with a mixture of pepper powder, turmeric powder, salt and vinegar. So this is one heaped teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I need to. I've cut the meat into bite-sized pieces, no? And this is the mixture. So I'll mix it and then place it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. Once I marinate it 45 minutes, then I'll take it out and fry it in shallow fry in batches. Today's preparation is beef steak pepper fry. Onions, medium onions, this to be cut into rings. This is ginger, 2-inch ginger to be julienne, 4 green chilies sliced, 4 garlic cloves to be sliced, tomatoes, 2 tomatoes to be sliced, 4 small potatoes to be cut into rings, maybe about half a centimeter rings, and you can shallow fry, apply a little salt and shallow fry or deep fry them, and a bunch of coriander leaves. So I'll come back to you after cutting these ingredients. Gas or electric stove, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and this is the marinated meat. So we will fry these in batches. So once the oil is hot, then I'll put them in, but I'll retain the remaining marinade. High heat will fry the pieces, and after about 2-3 minutes I'll turn it around, turn it to the other side, and then fry again, and then I'll remove them, then I'll fry the next batch. I've turned it around to the other side, and now I'm frying it for another 3 minutes. Now stir fry for about 2 more minutes and then remove, and then fry the next batch. Add little oil and then put in the sliced chilies, and then the garlic, the sliced garlic, and then the onions, and fry the onions till they become translucent. Then you add the tomatoes and the marinade and fry it. As you are frying this onions, the potatoes, add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and when the oil becomes hot, then deep fry them tomatoes and fry it, and also the gravy, the marinade. Add the fried meat pieces and mix it and allow it to cook in there. Check for salt and vinegar, or even lime juice you can add if you want. Now this is ginger julienne, so I'll add this. And mix it. Now I've got coriander leaves. Give one mix and remove from the flame. Now this is for serving. So after I have put in the serving dish, then I will garnish with fried potatoes. Add the fried potatoes and mix it. So that's it. Beef steak pepper fry.